Good morning to all my subscribers. This is the first video of 2023. I just wish you with this video a prosperous 23. May this year, the coming, you have a big successes on you. I know it's bad and difficult out there. The world is upside down, and but just hope the best for you. Make the best of it, and let's hope we have a nice videos coming up to share this year. There's something very interesting I want to talk to you about this morning. My son-in-law showed me this. It is a program that is currently available. You download on your computer or your cell phone. The name is chat.openai. What this is a program that a lot of people, industries put document information on a website or on a database, and then you can ask this thing everything you want to ask this program, then it will give you answer. Like for instance, give me a banana bread recipe, and then it will give you banana bread recipe. You can ask him, how do you create a website? And then it will give you information. So I think this is a forefront of, AI, so to speak, where they start forming a huge database. And then the futures, the robots of this artificial intelligence they're talking about in the future is going to get information from this database. And then they can, if you ask this robot anything, it will communicate with you. So this database is growing. There's also feedback you can give it if it's helpful also to start learning itself. You can I'll show you just now. Just want to download it on my computer because it's on my cell phone where I make the videos currently on, and let you just see what you can do with this. And I think what you thought about this and what you think is going to happen. I think this is the forefront, if I say, of AI, where they start forming a huge database on information, where all the information is coming from. So you can basically ask this thing anything, then it will help you. How do I program a microprocessor in C language or something? It will give you some information or whatever. So you can, the thing is, what I think is going to happen, like lately, people's going to start getting lazy, or engineers or something. You're going to just open this thing, start asking him, why do you do this, why do you do this? It will start typing out, and you can use that as a basis on what you're going to do. How you do certain calculations, it will help you. Same as Google. Google is just it give you a lot of information. You can see, you choose. But this one, I think, is a big thing coming. So it's very interesting for me as such. So let me just first put this on my computer, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. I downloaded it on my cell phone. As I said, I just want to wait for my computer to start up, then I'll first do it there, then we can quickly show you what is going on. Okay, here's it on my computer now, desktop. There's it, open chat at openai.com. Now I type in here, here's the area when you type in, and then you just press go there. I type in banana bread recipe, they give you the recipe. Let's do something else. Okay, let's just do a funny thing. Let's say, tell him, how do I program a microprocessor in C language? And then it will give you the answer. To program a microprocessor in C, it will need the following: a C compiler, processor development board. There's it with funny stuff. Write your program C, use the editor. So if you're a basic learner on anything, it will give you the whole caboodle here. Whatever you Let's ask him, what is a motor car? Then let's see what it gives you. A motor car is also known as automobile of a car, road vehicle designed to carry passengers or goods. So the whole description is here. This is so flippin' interesting, you can't believe it. So this is a nice thing. And then you hear a generate a response. You can now and then somewhere here is if you go and you say thumbs up, and then it will give you provide additional feedback. And then you can also type. If they gave you the wrong answer, you can maybe type it, and then they will save it, and then so it can correct. Over the years, all the people with the feedback, it will then you just submit it there, and then it will obviously form a database of every little thing that you can think of in life. It will be here. So this is a nice thing that's coming. So I think this is the next wave of technology that's coming to us. You can download this database on a robot, and then from there it will then just submit. Let's ask him a new question here. Let's greet and say, how are you? How are you this morning? How are you this morning? As it say, as an artificial intelligence, I do not experience feelings or have a sense of time. I am always ready to assist you with any question you may have. Is there anything specific you would like to know or discuss? So this is the next thing they can maybe add a volume for interaction, a voice that can speak to you, something like this. So this is it. So this is the end of here. Okay, this is it from my side this morning. As I said, I hope you have a prosperous year, 2023. Be safe. Keep yourself and your family safe. I hope you will have nice videos this year. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And this is then all from me this morning. Till next time. Cheers.